it's been so long since I've been up here, you guys, to give you guys a tutorial, an update, organizational video. So you guys, look at my kitchen pantry. I know your girl done slacked, but it's okay. Things happen. We know we get unorganized, but today I'm going to share with you all how I organize and label my OXO containers. Okay, so if you're excited just as I am, stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is going to go ahead and weed and prep all of the labels for the OXO containers. I have a Silhouette Cameo. I believe the version that I have is the 3, and so that is what I use to create all of the labels that I will be using on my OXO containers. Unfortunately, I could not find my weeding tool, so I decided to go ahead and just use my thumb vac. Still got the job done. Yeah, so do what you gotta do, y'all. Do what you gotta do. So if you know what I mean, if you've gone through something like this, please let me know in the comments. Please let me know I'm not the only one that does this, okay? This is the thickness that I was going for. I didn't want anything too thin because I didn't want to have any issues with lifting over time from the vinyl. I prefer the Cricut transfer tape because the Silhouette Cameo one, for me, in my opinion, I really do not like that one. So even though I have a Cameo machine, I love the Cricut transfer tape. this is how we looking, y'all. So let me know what you guys think. And this is a work in progress, you guys. So I did not label the baskets because I only have 2, or okay, I have 3, but I didn't feel the need to label them because I'm like, to me it's okay. So let me know if I should label the baskets, and then also what else should I add to my pantry. Okay, let me know if there's anything else I should add into my pantry. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to see what the avocado oil looks like filled up the bottle, go ahead and head over to my Instagram page and you'll see it in one of my story highlights.